Today we're going to talk about NFDRS 2016 and give you a quick introduction to the new system. This is episode number 2 in our Fire Danger Learning Series. Before we begin to talk about it, it's important to remember that fire danger is designed to be relative in general in application and applies over very large areas. So the proposed changes to NFDRS, there were 3. First, we wanted to update the live fuel moisture model. Next, we updated the dead fuel moisture model. And then we consolidated existing 40 fuel models down to 5 fuel response types based on existing fire behavior fuel models. And so these 5 response types were grass, grass shrub, brush, timber, and slash. The first change was the new live fuel moisture model, and for this we used the growing season index. This new model will be based on the growing season index. It's calculated from daily observations of your RAWS station of minimum temperature, relative humidity, and day length. This simplifies the live fuel moisture model by removing the need to define green up, curing, dormant, and freeze dates. So there's no more seasonal WIMS inputs, no season codes and greenness factors, none of that. It all goes away. The next change was the new fine dead fuel moisture model, and for this we used the Nelson dead fuel moisture model. And this model has been in place in WIMS for several years now in a test bed, and so now it's going to be incorporated into NFDRS 2016. This model more accurately models daily and seasonal fine dead fuel moistures. It uses hourly measurements of temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, and solar radiation. This model requires no daily human intervention, so there's no more daily WIMS inputs. The final change that made up the NFDRS 2016 update was the consolidation of fuel models. In this, we conducted a similarity analysis of ERC outputs, and that analysis revealed that we were just using 5 unique fuel model types already. And so reducing the number of fire danger fuel models from 40 down to 5 at that point made common sense. These 5 are based on the Fire Behavior Prediction System fuel models produced by Scott and Bergen, and those 5 models were modified to include a 1,000-hour fuel load. This simplification helps meet the intent of NFDRS to be general and applied over large areas. And so as we move into NFDRS 2016, it's important to remember several things. The underpinnings of this system will change significantly. We're going to add those new growing season index model. We're going to add the Nelson dead fuel moisture model, and we're going to change the number of fuel models available. But the outputs from the system will be the same, and the system will now be completely automated. No more human intervention required. There's still going to be energy release components, burning indexes, spread components, ignition components, and fuel moisture values, which can be used to guide fire management decisions. These changes will retain the known strengths of the fire danger rating system while making the system simpler to interpret, implement, teach, and manage.